This is day 12 of my vacation, and got to take my daughter to a nail appointment at 8. So unfortunately, I actually have to go outside today. Let's get dressed. So, like I said, this is day 12 of my vacation, and I got some errands to run, so I had to come outside. I'm such an introvert. I don't like outside, and I don't like people. But I am at Fry's because today is laundry day, and because I don't yet have a washer dryer of my own, and my apartment complex just approved that I can turn my storage from outside into a laundromat because I have the water and gas and electric hookups in there. I haven't purchased one for me to use yet. I definitely plan on doing that with tax money come end of January. So no worries on that. But for now, we're going into Fry's. I need to pick up some laundry detergent. I need to pick up some dryer sheets. I'm mad because the 99-cent store is closed right now, and I can't get my 99-cent dryer sheets. So I have to buy the expensive ones from here. But it is what it is. Let's go and find what I need. Here it is, aisle 5, laundry supplies. Now, while I am washing a big old white cover, I'm just gonna buy the small bleach. You know what? I think I'm gonna try this color safe bleach for all colors instead. I've never tried it before. We're about to see how well that works. Okay, now what else? I need some laundry detergent. Which one should I get? Fabric softener. I definitely need a little bit of that. Where is the smallest one? Because I don't need a lot because I'm only washing covers. I don't know. I don't see. $4.19 for the snuggle. Let's grab that. Or maybe the all up here for $4.19. All right, I found the dryer sheets, and the cheapest ones they have are these $3.29 for 200 sheets. 100 sheet, or this 200 sheet for $3.39. I think no, that's not the right price. The starch spray is the $3.39. I don't need that. I'm not ironing anything. So let's go for this one for the $3.29. Now, what am I gonna get for the laundry detergent? Because I need to wash some of my other things too, but not today. Today is only a cover day. Let's get sensitive skin for $11. That's a deal. You know what? I think I'm gonna go with the Persil Pro Clean, just because it says it's a deep clean for visible and invisible dirt, and I'm washing the dog's bed as well. My little buddy had an accident and ended up throwing up on his doggy bed. So I gotta get that nice and clean. I know they have a brand here that is for animals, to get animals scent out of whatever it's in. Let's see if I can find that, because that would be ideal. Odor rescue. Is that it? I don't see it. You know what? But I do see this Purex down here. I think I'm gonna get this Purex Oxy for the clothes when I decide to wash the clothes. That thing is heavy, but for 14, that's fine. All right, I think that's all I need up in here. Oh, you know what? My son was saying that he loved that peppermint coffee creamer that I had bought. So let's grab him one of those. Then we can get on up out of here. Also, so my son's locks are pink. Literally this color pink. Just the tips. And I told him that I would give him a refresher for the new year before he goes back to school. He's a junior in high school, and the dye that I use is this Splat. It's, oh my god, that down angle is horrible. Ugh. So let's keep the phone up, but I don't like holding it up high like this in a store because I look crazy like I'm filming myself, even though I am. But I don't know. All right, here is the creamer, but I don't, oh, there's the peppermint. I need to get some for my house. This is peppermint mocha, not just plain peppermint, but that'll do. Let me see, do they have it in the cheaper brands? No, they do not. So Coffee Mate it is. All right, Sonny boy, I am coming to you. French vanilla. Oh well. Off to pay. I left my Fry's card in the car, in my bag. So I'm gonna go get that because that parasol rung up as $18, and no, we want that $11 deal. You see that? $18.99.
Thank you.
Let's see.
Your total is $20.59. If you have
Ooh.
press coupon. Otherwise,
What did it save me? Like, I don't. I hate spending money. Okay, so I'm standing here because I got them going to go check, because absolutely no. It said $11 and it's ringing up 18. Absolutely no. We're gonna see what the real price is, because absolutely no. So I just paid for the laundry detergent stuff, and I completely forgot I'm supposed to be in here shopping for what I'm cooking for Tiff's Taste tonight for dinner. So let's go shop for that. I got my lettuce so far. I'm making a taco salad, just something really simple. Lettuce, cheese, sour cream, hamburger meat, and some Doritos. I got the lettuce. Now let's go find the cheese. I think it's over here. And I do want a bag of pistachios because I am obsessed. And let's hope they have my favorite brand, and they do. Yay. The pink Himalayan in pepper, superior than this pistachio brand. We can argue about it. I promise you, you'll lose. So here is the cheese, and I will not buy this Kroger brand, even though that's not the great value of Walmart. I'm not playing with my cheese no more, because the way that debacle of macaroni and cheese came out for Christmas, I'm still embarrassed. So we're gonna go with my favorite cheese here, this Tillamook, And I think I'll get the Mexican cheese, 4 cheese, because my feelings are still hurt from this macaroni. Let me put it right here so you can. Do you see my face? Do you see my face? Oh my God. I'm still embarrassed. But anyway, we're gonna do this right with the right cheese this time. Cry. I'm so mad. Let me show you. I'm not gonna let this ruin my day though. But you see my beautiful macaroni and cheese? Do you see this unmeltable cheese in here that's not melting properly? Oh. I don't even know what to say. I'm so mad. And I was bragging, I believe, in the video when I bought this cheese, saying that, don't worry, this cheese melts. I should use, but it's very expensive, and it don't take all that to make your macaroni and cheese look nice and taste nice. So I think I'm gonna go with this sharp cheddar. Great value. Yes, this is the kind that melts. No worry. Let's grab this La Mexicana salsa as well. Medium or mild. Let's get the mild. Even though I don't really like spicy, but it's a taco salad. You gotta do some spice. Look, I left my cart all the way down here. I was trying to find the sour cream, but it obviously was not down there. That was cream cheese. I think the sour cream is all the way down there with the milk. Let's go find out. Well, while we're this way, I need to pick up some ground beef. Should I use ground turkey? Nah. Let's get some ground beef. I believe this $2.49 one right here should be enough. Nah, no it's not. Maybe this $7.49 one will be enough. Or maybe 2 of the $2.49s will be enough. Yes, I think so. And I don't care about the fact that it's reduced. I know it's reduced because it needs to sell by tomorrow, but I'm cooking it tonight, so we should be fine. Look how it just, there we go. All right, let's go get this sour cream, find the Doritos. All right, here is the dairy section. No yogurt today. All right, here's the eggs. I do need some butter, so let's get some of this good old blue bonnets. Maybe 2 of those. And let's find the sour cream. Where's the sour cream? Oh my gosh, the Minute Maid is $1.99 here? At Walmart, it's like $1.60, $1.30. I'll pass. There's the sour cream. I only need a little bit, so $1.99 will do. And I believe the chips are over here too. Let's go grab some chips and get on up out of here.
101, please. Pharmacy.
All right, I found the chip aisle. Now, where are the Doritos? Some people like to use regular nacho chips, like, well, not nacho, well, it is nacho chips, but technically they're called tortilla chips, but we do it the melanated way, and we're gonna go for the Doritos. Now, do we do the blazing buffalo ranch? This is my favorite brand of Doritos, just in case anybody wanted to know. I'll put them on my Amazon gift list, and you can send me a box full of them, and I would love and appreciate you so much, because this is literally my favorite brand. I mean, my favorite flavor. Blazing buffalo and ranch, or just regular Cool Ranch? Blazing buffalo and ranch are just regular Cool Ranch. They're literally the same price. I think because I've never
Ron,
tried.
you got a phone call 101.
Ron, you got a phone call. Oh my gosh, look. The chips literally don't start until half the bag. Oh my gosh. But that means that I'm gonna need 2 bags. Maybe I'll just get the Cool Ranch party size.
Security, channel aisle, please.
Oh, somebody in here is stealing. They got security scanning all the aisles. Lord, let me get up out of here. I'll get that party size. And like I said, get on up out of here. Back to the self-checkout we go. What are you guys doing for New Year's? I don't know what I'm doing. Should I buy some of these for my son? He's not really into fireworks. Maybe I'll just grab some sprinklers. So while I'm waiting for the reason that I had to get out of my bed, which is my daughter Day, she went to go get a nail appointment and I had to drop her off. I'm here looking for a cutting board for my mom, and let me show you what I saw. So this one is amazing, right? Not for that price at a Savers. Like the Savers in Scottsdale prices are cheaper than this, and this is just North Phoenix. Like, what is going on? Am I in a Twilight Zone? But I was looking down this aisle and I saw this gorgeous plateware set in cups. So it's a 30-piece set for $50. I don't know if you can see that price. $50. But I have a discount for Savers, which is 50% off. So $25 for this set. I really want. I also saw Homegirl right here looking at me. That's so cute. That's so cute. Let me keep looking. If I find something extraordinary, I'll be back. We're just in here wasting time, and look, I took 2 steps down from Homegirl at the end of the aisle, and look what I saw. This is gorgeous for a patio, and it's a set of 2 for $17. I get 50% off. I don't know if it's a bird cage. I would use it as a light fixture to hold my candles on my patio. That would be really pretty, and I saw this as well. Now this one here, oh, I don't know if I want to put this in the house or on the patio, but this is gorgeous. And with 50% off, oh, I think I can do something with this. I think this is gorgeous. But again, I'm not shopping. I'm just here to waste time. Look at that. So I don't know about you, but when I'm in stores like the Goodwill, Savers, the St. Vincent de Paul thrift store, I'm at a straight beeline to the glassware. And I'm looking for something to replace my butter bowl. I actually broke my butter bowl on Christmas, and I'm upset because it was a family heirloom, and I haven't told my family that I broke it, and I don't intend to tell them. But this would be a pretty replacement. I mean, the one that I had was very much more streamlined, kind of something like this. So maybe this one would be a better replacement, and hopefully when my aunts come over, they don't recognize the difference. This one is even kind of similar, but this one is really more of what it looked like. I thought about repairing it in the old ancient Asian way with gold, but it's not porcelain or ceramic, it's glass. So I don't know how well the high heat of the gold would affect the temperament of the glass. I don't know. So I just threw it away, and I know when my aunt finds it or sees this video, she's probably gonna be mad because it was my grandmother's, and I have a bunch of other glassware of my grandmother's, but that piece was special to me. I actually used it in the yam syrup hot cocoa pancake video that I did on my Tiff's Taste channel. I'll link that in the description, but I gotta find a replacement because I actually use that piece a lot. Anybody need a pony for 40 bucks, 50% off? It's super cute. Look at the little pony. I don't know if you could. Oh, it's heavy too. Yeah, a kid could ride that. A baby could sit on that. Look, you know, when my girls were babies and not the 18, 19-year-olds they are now, they used to ask me and their dad for a pony literally every year for Christmas. And I would always feel horrible because ponies cost so much, and there's no way they could have a actual real pony, and those kind of ponies did not exist in my price range. Oh well, let's look at the bags, see if we can find any name brands. I know at the Savers in Scottsdale, I've seen Chanel bags, I've seen Louis Vuitton bags, I've seen Coach bags, I've seen, I can't remember the other brands, but they have bags that are nice bags. So let's check them out. I don't see anything that is sparking my eye. What is this? Oh, this is a cute little plastic bag. I guess you would call that vegan leather. That's a cute little bag though. How much is that? $9.99. What else do they got? What else? What else? What is this yellow? I like mustard yellow. Oh, it's like a hobo-ish. I don't like that. Ah, what is this? It's a little pocketbook. This is cute. $5.99. That's not bad either. What is this one? This little. All right, no luck with any name brand bags, but before I go, let's look at the hats, because you know me, I love a good beret, and this is a newsboy. This is nice. I like that. And the belts and the scarves, these are all staples that I go for as soon as I get to one of these kind of thrift stores, and I'm not really seeing anything. This is a cute braid detail belt, but my waistline does not support that. Let's see. This one is cute. Oh, is that broken? I don't know. All right. Oh, are these stirrups? All right, let me get up and out of here. Thank you, Savers. You guys were a great waste of time. And I don't mean waste of time because I didn't find anything that I wanted. I found plenty of things that I wanted. Thank you. I found plenty of things that I wanted, but I'm not here to shop. I was just literally here to waste time until I gotta go pick this girl up from her nail appointment, and she still has not called me and told me she was ready, but her appointment was at 8. It's 10 o'clock. She should be ready, so I'm just gonna hang around the parking lot and maybe edit this video. No, because I have to do the laundry. So are you guys gonna come with me to do the laundry? Laundry time. When she takes pictures, let me see. Flip them over. Cute, 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 cute. I absolutely hate doing laundry. I'm not a domestic girly. I'm not. I'll be the first to admit it. I'm not a domestic girly, especially when it's outside domestication. Like if I had my laundry inside where I can just do it at my leisure, then it would be fine. But who wants to go to a laundromat where everyone in their mama done used to wash their dirty drawers? I'm at this. Well, I would give you show you where I'm at, but stalkers out there, you don't want that. But I'm at a laundromat, and there's weird people here. There's homeless people here. You know, when I lived on the other side of the town, I used to go to the laundromats in Scottsdale, and they were so nice. So anyway, I'm waiting. I got 27 minutes, I believe it said, on the dryers. So I already did the washers. I already did the wash, and then I drove across town to take Day to work. Now I'm back. And what I am is one of those girlies who will sit here and fold everything. Because if I take it home, it's gonna sit in a bag. It's gonna sit in the laundry basket. No. This way, if I fold everything here, I can just take it out and put it away. Fast, quick, in a hurry. So when I go back in, I'll set the phone up and we can chitter chatter while I fold my laundry. I really don't have a lot. I washed a bag of Day's laundry, a bag of mine, and for the most part, the rest of it is covers and blankets. I think there's 1, 2, 3 blankets, a few, maybe like 6 pillowcases off of my bed, because, you know, I have a million pillows. I'm a girl. That's what we do. But I didn't used to be one of those girlies. I would throw everything in a laundry basket or in a bag and run home really quick and just sit on the couch and watch a movie and fold clothes, and sometimes all of it didn't get folded. So I learned my lesson. I'd rather just stand up here, excuse me, and fold it all. What is this car? Why are you just parked in front of me? Like, no. Anyway, this piece of glitter just don't want to go. Like, it's E6000 glued onto my skin. Okay, whatever. What do you do? Matter of fact, what do you do? Do you sit at the laundry room and fold up all of the clothes, or do you take your clothes home and fold them once you get home? Tell me in the chat. You know what? There's a furniture store in this plaza. Come on, let's go see what they got. Aw, it's not even open. But look, they got this really cute grommeted black velvet looking sectional right here at the door. I don't know, but I'm mad because I wanted to see what they got. They got this other cute little set that's right here too. I like those pillows. I don't know about that coffee table. Seems a little small, but it's cute. It's cute. Let's see what else is in this plaza. Ooh, there's a bird shop in here. Look at the parrot. Hi, birdie. Hi. Nope, You can come close if you want to. I'm not coming close to you though. But you are very pretty. Very pretty bird. Look at this one. This one, you're a pretty bird too. This bird right here look like he with the shits. Look how he looking. He look like he with the shits. Absolutely not. Look at that one. Oh my gosh, you guys are so pretty. Pretty birds. This one right here. I like this one right here. Ooh, you're a big one. You're a big birdie. Oh, look at the babies. Look at the babies. I don't know if they're babies, but they're little birdies. But this is a big one. All these birds are probably tweeting, "Save me, black woman. Save me, black woman." These people keep me stuck in these cages all day, every day. Please save me, black woman. Look at you guys. You guys are very cute. You guys are very cute. And see, you guys are over here quiet as you want to be. See, I like a quiet bird. I like a quiet bird. Ooh, look at the nest in this one. That's very cute. What kind of bird are you? You're a very pretty bird, too. If you stop moving, I can get a good zoom so I can see you. But look at the birdies. I like the birdies. I wonder if they have any reptiles. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Do you only have birds? Do you have any reptiles? I got some fishies in here. Look at the fishies. Aww. The fishies. And some puppies over there. Look at the puppies. I like this black one. The one with the black spots. That one is really cute. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Okay, back to the birds. And I'm out of here. I am out of here. Hi, look at you. You trying to get out? Trying to break free? I wish I could help you, but I can't. All right, let's get on up out of here. Hi, kitty. Nice little exotic bird place. Had a few other animals, but you know, I'm not shopping. I'm just here to kill the time. And we're back to the car. You know, this is Ad.Ventures with Tiffany. And anytime you come to my channel, we're going to be on an adventure. Doing something that's not in the house. Unless I'm doing a craft that is in the house. But for me, that's still content for this channel. How much time I got left? 3:40. Maybe 15 minutes? I should go look, huh? Yeah. Alright. Laundry's dry. Fold up my pillowcases and do my domestic duties. Anyway. I gotta fold everything, literally, because then after I'm done folding and I go home and put these things away, I gotta start cooking dinner. Remember, I'm making a taco salad tonight, so that's just that on there. Dryer sheet, no scent to it, good, that means my sheets smell good. While I crunch and munch on these pistachios, my favorite pink Himalayan. I'll put some of those in my Amazon gift list too. You guys fold your fitted sheets like this with the point? I do. I don't even know why I'm folding these though, because this set is going right on my bed. But y'all don't want to watch me fold clothes, right? Fast forward to me prepping. But when I prep for my dinner tonight, it's going to be on my food channel, which is, it's going to be on my food channel, Tiff's Taste. And I just realized that I forgot to get one of the most vital things for my taco salad. the Italian dressing. So after I'm done folding all of this, I'll show you what the stacks look like before I go put them in the car, and then you guys can come with me to Fry's and grab some Italian seasoning, Italian dressing. Yes, Italian dressing. Whew. What a feat that was. And it wasn't even a lot, but I told you guys I'm not a domestic girly, but I got everything folded up, baskets folded up, towels, sheets, covers folded up, and now I'm ready to go. Okay, so I made it to the Fry's, and the Italian dressing is only $2.49, $2.39, so I'll grab one of those. What else do they got? So I got that. You know what? I need some juice. Definitely need something to drink. And in this Fry's, the juice is all the way in this corner over there. So let's go get it so I can go home, cook, and finally sit down for the day. And I still did not make it to the post office, man. My daughter's gonna be mad because I told her I was gonna go to the post office today.
Thomas, can you call 2142?
Thomas, you know what? This inflation is getting freaking ridiculous. Like, the juice is $1.99 here too. Like, is it only $1.69 at Walmart? Or is it just $1.99 across the board? Oh, nobody got time for that. It was just $1.69 the other day, I promise. Let me get out of this store. You know what? Let me just end this video now. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate your viewership. Thank you for coming along with me on my shopping trip to run all of my errands. Hopefully you enjoyed watching all of my shenanigans and go ahead. And my corniness. I had to let this guy get in front of me so he could park. No worries. But what a day. And if you're still interested in seeing what my taco salad is gonna look like, go ahead over to my other channel, Tiff's Taste, and go watch it. See ya. Thanks for watching.